Jodolo mawuok e kaunti ma Nakuru sani koro mboro ywak kaluwore kod njawruok mar arita kwe mabende koro kwako gwenge ma Konindo bang' achiel kuom jodolo yudi ka koro negi e kanisa kama bende osebedo ka entiere. Maendi koro miyo jodolo go eko koro kwayo mar mondo mi migawo mar arita kwe ma ipacho oyone kaka nyalo rit chiwo kanyinde arita kwe ma giwacho ni ka opogore kod jodolo go kende kwan mag oganda mathoth gin mago eko mosebedo ka koro ikawo kongimagi kama moko bende imonje okenge go eko mopogore opogore e kaunti onogo ma Nakuru.
We as Umoja Pastors Fellowship, we address you today with a deep sorrow and heavy heart following the tragic incident in Lanet, Nakuru County, where a minister of PCA Taboga Palace, Reverend Julius Guri Dumia, who served faithfully with commitment to God's work, was brutally killed within church compound yesterday on 4th May 2026. This horrific, terrifying act carried out within a place of worship has shaken not only the Christian community, but the entire society. The church is meant to be sanctuary of peace, hope, and refuge. When such violence reaches the altar, it signals a serious breakdown of moral and social order. As Lanet Umoja Pastor Fellowship, we strongly condemn this heinous act in the strongest terms possible. And we mourn, and as we mourn, we also extend our heartfelt condolences to his family, the congregation of PCA Taboga Parish, and all who knew and loved him, and called upon public to stand with them in prayers for strength and peace during this difficult time. However, even as we grieve, we cannot also ignore the growing concern of insecurity in Lanet, Umoja Ward, and its environment. In recent times, there has been a worrying increase in cases of violent crime, including killings, assault, and the act of thuggery. This pattern has created fear and uncertainty among residents. Those security agencies in Lanet tried their best, but we need more to be done. Therefore, we make an urgent, firm appeal to government authorities and security agencies act swiftly and decisively to address deteriorating security situation in our area. We urge, number one, immediate and thorough investigation to the murder of Reverend Julius Dumia with the aim of bringing perpetrator to justice without delay. Number two, increase security presence and patrols within Lanet Umoja Ward and surrounding areas. Number three, proactive measures to curb rising criminal activities and restore public confidence, safety, and security. Number four, increase street lights in our estate, in our main road, i.e. from Kyondo to Danger,